Writing variant equals document ID equals 53741. The honest woodcutter's golden reward. In the peaceful village of Aja lived a hard-working woodcutter named Emeka. Every day, he chopped wood to earn enough money to care for his family. One morning, while cutting a tree beside a deep river, Emeka's old iron axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. He searched everywhere but could not find it. Sitting by the river, he felt sad because it was the only axe he owned. Suddenly, a shining fairy appeared from the river holding a beautiful golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Emeka shook his head and replied, "No, my axe is old and made of iron." The fairy smiled and returned with a sparkling silver axe. "Is this yours?" Again, Emeka answered honestly, "No, it is not mine." Finally, the fairy brought out Emeka's old iron axe. With a joyful smile, Emeka said, "Yes, that is my axe." The fairy was pleased by his honesty. "Because you chose truth instead of greed, you deserve a reward." She gave Emeka the golden axe, the silver axe, and his old iron axe. Emeka thanked the fairy and returned home happily. From that day on, everyone in Aja remembered him as the honest woodcutter whose truthfulness brought him great blessings. Moral honesty is always rewarded.